My very excellent mother just served us 9 pizzas. Yum. Y'all don't have to have lunch today, right? Pizza's good. This speech was supposed to be about mnemonics, M-N-E-M-O-N-I-C-S, about how to memorize and remember things by making up sentences. My very excellent mother just served us 9 pizzas. One of my hobbies is astronomy, and that's how you remember the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. So I was going to talk about the planets, but something happened. What happened? Pluto, dear little Pluto, disappeared. It's gone. My very excellent mother just served us nuts, nachos. Hey, that's all right. But Pluto's gone. Little background. In the ancient times, there was 5 known planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Planet means wanderer in Greek, ancient Greek, because they saw that certain stars in the sky would wander around. The other stars stay fixed, but these would wander around. So they called them the wanderers, and they named them. Actually, in ancient times, there could have been 6 known planets, because believe it or not, Uranus, an unfortunate name, is visible to the naked eye. It is, but it's very faint, and it wasn't noticed that it also wanders. It's just barely visible. Well, let me go through the planets a little bit. We'll find out what happened to Pluto. Mercury, the first planet out from the sun, little tiny rock. It's the baby of the planets now. And by the way, we just got some new baby pictures. Did y'all see that? We sent a spacecraft there, so we have some baby pictures. Oh. Venus. Venus is one planet named after a female god. And I'm not sure why, but it's a very beautiful star in the evening sky or the morning sky. And it's also very cloudy and shrouded in mystery. I'm not going to go there. That's not politically correct. Earth is a planet. We know that now. They didn't back in the day. They thought that everything went around the Earth, but Earth is a planet. The next one out. Mars. Mars, we've got lots of robots wandering around. It's red, named after the god of war. You know what? When we finally do get to Mars, you know what we're going to find? A junkyard. The astronauts will say, yeah, I've seen this just outside every city on Earth, you know. Jupiter. When we get past Mars, things happen. There's the asteroids, and I'll come back to them. Jupiter is one of what we call the gas giants. Now, by gas giants, I don't mean people like me that spend too much time at the buffet. Gas giants are large amalgamations of hydrogen gas that is contracting. But it's not rocky like, say, the inner planets, the ones I've already mentioned. Jupiter is the largest of planets. All the other planets could fit inside it, should they choose to. I don't know if they do or not, but Jupiter is the largest. The next one out, Saturn. We all know about Saturn. It's got rings. Saturn must be, I don't know, married, engaged. Those rings, by the way, are made of water ice. Can you imagine the kind of party we could throw with billions of tons of ice? Let's all go to Saturn and party, party, party. Past Saturn, we come to Uranus, or Uranus. It's actually named after a god, Uranus. But it's an unfortunate name. In today's age, in anglicized terminology, it's Uranus or Uranus, neither of which a lot of people are comfortable in saying in public now. I had to practice this several times. past Uranus is a twin planet to Uranus, Neptune, named after the god of the sea. Neptune is a beautiful blue planet. And by the way, there are 4 planets with rings: Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, and Saturn. All 4 have rings. We can only see them on one with normal telescopes. The others have been seen by space probes. So we've gone out to the gas giants Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And then for a while, there was this other little planet. They called it Pluto. It was discovered in 1930. And by the way, there's a dog in the cartoons from Disney named Pluto. The chief animator swears that Walt Disney named that in honor of the discovery of a new planet. Walt Disney never admitted it, but Pluto is named after Pluto. A couple years ago, they got into heated debates back and forth. Is Pluto a planet? Is Pluto a planet? And they decided, no, it's not. It's too small. It doesn't fit in with the rest of the planets. So you know what they did? They demoted it. They demoted it to a planetoid. Now, there's other planetoids. There's Ceres, which is in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. There's Eris, E-R-I-S, which is it's bigger than Pluto, and it's outside of Pluto. They think that's a planetoid, but they're not sure. And there's also Hydra, which is a new one. So we have to change our mnemonics now. My very excellent mother just served us 9 enchiladas. But you know what? There's now planets being discovered on other solar systems. There's over 500 of them, exoplanets they call them, so far. What kind of mnemonics are we going to come up with that? 500, I think I'll quit now while I'm ahead. Thanks, Earl.